It's popping out. Feel it.
You guys are recording. Don't touch the mic.
It's like weird. Okay.
Today we're going to make a
Premium Firefighter strap.
kit.
A kit. Yeah, kit.
All right, why don't we start? You're gonna be in charge of the video.
Yes.
I'm the cameraman.
Okay. Welcome back to Sofield Leatherworks, and today we're gonna be showing you how. Wait, what are we doing?
We're gonna put together a kit. That's all we're doing.
Okay, so hey, welcome back to Sofield Leather, and today we're just gonna let you guys see how we put together a kit. More specifically, Firefighter Premium kit.
How do they find these kits if they want to buy it?
If they want to buy it, then you have to go to the Sofield Leather website.
And the links are where?
In the description.
All right, first things first.
Yeah.
Who
Okay.
wants to hold this camera? All right, so this video is gonna be my son. He's got the mic. And you need to put on your apron. We need to clean this up.
You have to look at me.
Clean this shop up. Let's tidy up. AKA, I'm gonna hold the camera. You guys are gonna tidy up. Jeremiah, you're not cleaning up.
Daddy.
What are we going to clean up?
The floor, organize the top,
Yeah.
the table. Oh, we'll have to fix that.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Hold on, let me turn the camera.
Mission. No. I got it.
No, and then this mic. Look, this mic needs to go here.
Oh, it does. Okay. Ready?
Go ahead.
Okay, now that the shop's clean, now we have to check the order. So let's go ahead. So for our orders, we usually go on Squarespace. So let's see. Here for pending, Sean. Oh, can we say the name?
Yeah, that's fine.
Sean Ramsey. Firefighter radio strap kit. Do it yourself. DIY. Okay.
Medium brown. He wants solid brass color. for
Okay.
hardware.
For hardware
All
color.
right, so you guys gotta divide
Yep.
and conquer. Who's getting what? Well, who needs what?
Okay.
Somebody's gotta
I'll-
delegate. Eli, you
okay.
gotta delegate. Who gets what? Tell
Okay,
Jeremiah
so
what he needs.
Jeremiah, you're gonna get the hardware and I'll get the leather.
No, can we switch it up this time?
Jeremiah.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Remember, hardware color is solid brass. And the hardware for the kits are. Yep. Okay, so we have the medium brown leather while Jeremiah is going to get the hardware color, the hardware. I'm going to get medium brown. Okay.
It's this one.
Yeah, I knew that. Okay.
Why are you smiling? You never been on camera before, guy?
What?
Why are you smiling like that?
Oh, 'cause you know.
Hey, Eli, you need to get the backing.
Yeah, I know.
Down here.
I know. I'm just bringing this for reference. Okay. So this is the thing that I made.
Oh.
It shows all the kits and stuff, and all what you need, the hardware and everything.
Right. You
Yeah.
did make that.
Okay, so according to the order, we need medium brown. So we have medium brown right here. Then, so this is for the radio strap. We need backing, and backing is this. Right, Dad?
No, it's the 2-inch piece back here.
Oh, this
One
stuff.
of those, yeah. A lot longer than that.
Dang it! I'm just gonna take the whole thing.
You can. Yeah, Jay, what happened?
So,
Oh. You getting the kit, Jay? Nice.
okay, we have the backing right here. Then we have to roll this back up and put it back. Here. Wait.
You got jokes?
Yeah, I got jokes.
Are they good jokes, though?
No, sadly not. Okay, so we need 70 inches for the leather and 70 inches for the backing. So we're gonna take because we need 70 inches for both. These don't they come about 70 inches
Yeah,
too?
you can check the.
Yeah, I'm gonna check it with this.
No, right here.
Oh, I forgot about that.
I know,
But this
I do
doesn't
too
go up to
sometimes.
70.
Well, you use the other one.
What do you mean use the other one?
Well, you gotta do some math now.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Dad, where's the bags?
Oh, right here.
Okay.
So bring that all the way to the end.
13 to 13.
Eli, it's easier if you bring this all the way to the end. All right.
Yeah.
That is 0. You
Okay.
have 22. So if you need 70, you need another 50. So this got to go at least to 50. And 48, and that one's 22, so it's perfect.
Okay, perfect.
22 plus 48 is what?
22 plus 48. Oh,
70.
oh yeah, I knew that. Okay.
So we have enough there.
Yep. And then for this should be a little bit shorter.
Well, it needs to be at least 70.
Well, it's at least 70.
Perfect.
Yeah,
So we're
good.
good.
I'm clear.
Okay.
I have 4 trigger snaps, 1 D-ring, 20-inch shot cord, and 3 St. Brown steps.
Okay, so now, Jeremiah, did he want anything else extra?
No, I already checked the
Did?
additional notes. He didn't want anything else.
Okay, great. So what Jeremiah is doing is he's taking out these, they're called dies, and these dies like this, they're really sharp at the end, so you got to be careful. Then he's gonna lay them all right here. These are the pieces that, like pieces like this. These are like the extra pieces that then you later you attach on. Things like these and stuff. They're like almost add-ons to the actual leather strap to make it functional. So these pieces he is collecting, and then we're gonna put them on a piece of leather right here, and then we're gonna put it on like that on top of the leather. Then what this does, it is how many tons is this?
8.
8 tons. It's an 8-ton clicker. So you would bring this bar down. Can I show it? You would bring this bar down right here, and it sits directly on top of this. Then once you add pressure, then it's gonna push it down. It's gonna stamp it, almost like click it into the leather, and it'll create a custom piece like that. So.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we need these, right? Or no?
Okay, guys. So this is all the holster leather. We took a whole time of working in the shop just to be efficient, and we clicked out all of this just for the holster leather. So now Jeremiah is going to click out all of this stuff that goes with the actual leather, right? Like the add-ons like I talked about earlier over there. And so you can start clicking. So you need to get the right leather. Medium brown. No, I think
The neck.
this
The one you have in your left hand. That one.
this one. Yeah. Well, is it better?
That's the medium brown.
Yeah. But is it better to use that part?
What do you mean?
Like when you're clicking, is there like a better?
That's why I use the neck for this reason.
Oh, it's because it's thick.
Well, it's because I don't use that for the straps. I use it for these pieces.
Oh, and the straps is like this, like the nice part.
Yeah. All right, explain to what he's doing.
So he's, like I explained earlier, he takes, pause, Jamar, I want to explain this. He took the piece of leather,
Let him work.
yeah,
Why?
he took
Explain over
he
here.
took the die,
Come over here.
he,
Right there.
he,
It's cut too well.
That's all right. I'll show you how to get that out.
yeah, he took the die and then he would put it on the leather so the 8 tons can be compressed onto it, and then it cuts through the leather and makes a beautiful,
Yeah, that's fine.
yeah, and it makes a beautiful, Dad, can I use that thing to get it out?
Yeah, we're gonna have to use it all to get out. But wait.
Can I get this?
Hold on.
Okay, and it makes a beautiful piece like this. Look at that. So, and then it'll obviously be burnished and everything. Wait, are we gonna burnish this?
No, this is a kit. So
Oh,
they
this
do
is a
that.
kit, yeah. So used to doing it by myself. I was raised well, you know. Okay, guys. So now I'm back, and we're going to box it up now. So just a quick refresher. This is all for the holster. All of this black piece, all the black pieces. Then all of these go with the actual leather, like the add-ons talked about. And this is all the hardware of your choosing. that goes with the actual the radio strap to make it nicer and to make it functional in many ways. So now we're gonna start boxing it up. So isn't it medium flat rate box?
Right.
Yep, medium flat rate. So this is where we keep all the boxes and everything. So we're gonna get a medium flat rate right here. And we're gonna get this opened up.
Oh, Jay can actually print out the packing label.
Yeah, Jeremiah. So
You remember how to do that, right, Jay?
so he's gonna print out the packing label, which goes right there.
Pick up tomorrow. And then request pick up from carrier.
Right.
Okay.
Don't worry about shipping tomorrow. Just print out the label. They're not gonna pick up tomorrow.
Okay.
Pick up Monday. That goes in the suspended one, the big long one.
Okay, I'm gonna refer to my notes right over here.
Alright, Dad.
Right.
Ramsey or something? What's his name?
Make sure you double check on my phone.
Okay, so according to my notes, it says when packaging, you'd want to put the leather in the middle, surrounded by paper, paper on the bottom, and paper on the top. And then this shows you where to put the tape. Okay, great.
Yo, you legit made this little diagram, right?
I know. Okay, so I think we are
You got it?
fully functional and ready. So now we are going to start the process. So first we're gonna get some paper.
Oh, Eli has paper here already.
So first we're gonna get some paper, and then we're gonna put that there. Kind of, I know we already organized, make some space. So put that there. Okay. Get some paper. Can I get one piece of paper?
You can get
For-
one at a time.
Yeah, I'm gonna do one at a time.
I don't think they want to see you boxing up, so I'm gonna stop it and then we'll see what it looks
Okay,
like.
I'll see you guys when the box is all ready. See ya. Perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect, right?
You forgot your note,
What?
your special note that you write to people.
Yep, I know.
Right there.
I was getting there. Do you also put a business card in there?
You can,
I want to put one in.
whatever you want.
So use the red pen. First, we have to put in a paper at the bottom, according to my notes over there. Oh, you ready? I'm gonna put this down here. Okay. Enough for that. And then, thank you. We'll put that after. Thank you very much, Jeremiah. Oh yeah, be careful with that. Yep, perfect. Oh, Daddy, wait, before you start filming.
What?
By the way, you know how you should end the video with?
How?
You should end the video with taking the sticker, right? And you should like have a close up of Jeremiah going like that, and then like that's it.
Okay, let's do it. Go ahead.
Yep, we got this.
No, we gotta do an outro. We'll do that with the outro.
Okay. And then you have to push it in. Yep. Push it in. And then I got this. Where do you want to put this?
In the middle, on both sides.
Okay. I'll do one. Jeremiah, you got the first one?
Alright, we gotta do an outro video.
Okay. Oh, we have to put this thing
No,
on.
we're not gonna put the label. I don't want anybody to see this guy's address. So, alright, let's do an outro right here.
Murderous thoughts.
Well, yeah, stay right there.
Okay.
Outro. Ready? 3.
Wait. Oh, what, me and I gotta, like,
can
we're
do
gonna
whatever
say,
you want.
hey, thanks for watching, both of us at the same time. And then you talk.
Yeah. Ready?
Right?
I'm leaving this part in, by the way. How you guys are gonna figure out.
Ready?
Okay.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Thanks for watching. Oh wait.
And let's just say, and thanks for
Okay.
watching. Ready?
3, 2, 1. And thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed the whole process of making this us by ourselves for the first time, actually. Dad, you were an amazing cameraman. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
I'm gonna drop the camera.
And yeah, so that was the radio strap kit.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
I love you, boys.
Love you too.
Love you
You
too.
guys know that, right?
High five, Jermaine.